Everyone, today we're going to be showing you this Magic Elf water kit for kids. This is so much fun. So inside of your tub, you're going to have so much. First of all, you're going to get all of these colors to use to make your little squishy animals. You're going to get tons of these packets that go inside of the water that kind of make the magic happen. You're going to get some disposable gloves. You're also going to get this, which helps you scoop the animals out, and you're going to get a lot of forms. So you've got like frogs and bunnies and unicorns, squirrels and elephants, alligators, of course, lots of ocean animals too. So this can even go on the side of your tub. You can use this to make your animals in, but this will tell you how much water you have and how much you need. So she's going to make some for you, show you how this works and how much fun it is.
Thanks for watching. Bye.